Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we are continue a journey to find what's new in Canva. And today we will check what is new in a Canva video editor, what they just call now Video 2.0. So I just pick one video from the library, it's a template, and let's play with it. But before we start to really look into it, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. And now let's get started. So the timeline, as you see, is absolutely redesigned. We can extend, and as you can see, there are 2 additional videos in the top of the basic layer plus 1 text. So you already saw the video how it looks like. And if you would like to add some audio, that's already easy. Just scrolling down to the audio section and looking for something. I will add this. Of course, I made something wrong because the timeline was not in a start line. So just add it just like this. Now you just move it to the start. And now I'm looking for some sound effects. Effect like swoosh sounds good. Oh, it's too long. Okay, but this one I don't want here. So I just moving the timeline to this video, and I think what was this one? Yeah, I just adding to here and starting to the next one and adding to also to here. And as you can see, the Canva already created an additional line for the 2 new videos. If those are also overlapping, this will be additional 2 timelines. But now let's see what's happened. So just for sure need note this is the best sound effect for this video, but to get some idea how easily can also now editing the video with this extended timeline, it's pretty amazing. We can add any additional videos and the new effects. As you can see, here is a text effect. So we can add also anything else. And if it's overlapping, it will be always a new timeline, new additional line in the timeline, which is pretty amazing, I think. Now it's getting more and more complex. So that's I think that's really good. And if, like, for example, people do that extend, so just I just duplicate now. And as you can see, we can have a element which is going through both location, both parts. And this one just keep in the original one. So if we would like to have some additional things, just looking for some logo, just for why not. As you can see, immediately, oops, just moving to here. So like a watermark, this element is still in video in both versions. So this video is ending and starts again, but the second part is just adjusting this small watermark. From now, with this new video timeline, very easy to create more creative videos in a Canva. I think that's more and more useful, and for sure that will be additional new features in this video editor soon. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in the Canva, and please also check the description where you can find links for my Facebook page, Instagram page, and TikTok page, where you can find a bunch of Canva tutorials in the Facebook page, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. As I mentioned already, you can find our links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.